I think, long story short, it's very easy to get discouraged because farming can be frustrating. I'm crying because I got smoke in my eye. Look, why don't I just do it and then I'll show you. I'm so tired. So tired. This happens like twice a year for me that I just get burnt out and exhausted, and there's just so much to do and so much I want to do and like get ready for, I don't know, maybe it's the season is ending and changing and now it's just like, it just feels like a lot. And I don't even think that it's entirely like the season. I think like I've got cords of wood that I gotta pile. I got to prep the ground for next year and just get ready for everything. And the days are shorter, so I don't have as much time. And I still got work to do. And just so much of everything is going on in the world. And I'm just so tired. I'm getting burnt out. I'm exhausted. Hi, bunnies. There's bunnies everywhere. Oh my goodness. And it probably doesn't help that we had a discouraging year for the garden. Like, we were all excited to have everything grow and just didn't. Like, I even killed corn. I didn't know you could kill corn. I thought the corn just kind of grew. You plant it and it grows. We killed it. It's dead. It didn't produce anything. I'm frustrated. And now we have to find preserves and just get ready. And there's like apples to be picked. And I feel like I'm not ready for winter. Like, I guess it's not that far, or it's still a ways off, but like, I just don't feel like I'm ready. Also, does anybody know if these are cranberries? Do these look like cranberries to you? Because I would love to use them in a cranberry thing if they are. If not, I'm just gonna leave them because they're starting to rot and stuff, but. Apple. I found an apple. They're not great. It's sour. Let's check some other trees. I guess a lot of people appreciate the honesty of like what homesteading actually is. So I thought homesteading going into it was gonna be awesome and fun, and we're keeping chickens and rabbits and a bunch of animals, but like, it's exhausting trying to get everything ready for winter, trying to get everything prepped for the next year, like thinking ahead like that while still trying to work, have a job, getting all the wood in for the winter. It's a lot of work. So I think it really, if you can find friends to do this sort of thing with, that it's really a benefit to do things together with people. Because doing it by yourself or doing it just your wife and you is just, I can't really reach those apples. So we're gonna like, is this one any good? Ooh, that's sweet. I think, long story short, it's very easy to get discouraged because there's so much you have to do or you feel you have to do and you just don't have time for it. So I'm gonna try to do the best that I can with the time I have and with what I can do and then control what I can control. Think about getting a tractor too. If anybody has advice on getting a tractor just to make a bigger garden and to be able to plow, mostly, to be honest, so I can plow a little bit in the driveway rather than buying a snowblower. Yeah, it's just this season. You get that the seasonal affective disorder, and I'm gonna grab my apple basket. I'm gonna pick some apples. Where's a good apple? Babe, have you seen my apple basket?
After all these years, I found out finally that I can't go back or change it, but I wouldn't trade a moment.
I will enjoy my apple, thank you. Love you, babe. Okay, quick update. I think I might have been a little hangry. The apple and I'm grabbing a ladder. The apple and the muffin definitely helped. I'm gonna bring my apple ladder over so we can grab some apples. Hopefully fill this basket. I love this basket. Hopefully fill this basket and make some cider or pie or whatever I can find. What, Wigglies? Pigs want out. They keep escaping on me. It's nice to be home though. I worked all day and it's nice to just do something productive, because sometimes work doesn't feel productive. But picking apples, heading over to pick apples is definitely productive. It's delicious at the very least. But like, I can't reach way up there. It's very difficult. I have to find some new trees. I know where some other are. Favorite part of apple picking has always been the eating while you pick. And some people may be mad that I'm just tossing them into my basket. They're gonna be made into pie or juice. Sorry, I shouldn't be talking with my mouth full, but they're gonna be made into pie or juice. So really, bruising them is not gonna hurt them much, really. So I'm gonna pick as many as I can and then feed all the junk ones that are on the ground to the pigs or something. I was definitely hangry. It is getting very dark now, and I just about filled my apple bucket, but I think it's too dangerous for me to be up in a ladder in a tree, so I'm gonna call her quits for the night, go have some supper. I feel a lot better now. Let that be a lesson. If you feel bad, if you feel like junk, just go do some yard work, go do some physical activity, go for a run, maybe. But this apple picking definitely helped. This is very heavy. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye.
Hey, thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, I'd love for you to like, subscribe, and even hit the little bell icon so you can get notified when I upload a new video.